Welcome to Maths and Science by IITIAN channel. In this lecture, I will be taking up a very good topic of algebra, concentrating on the functions useful for Maths Olympiad, SAT, GRE, GMAT, Advanced Maths, JEE, aspirants. It's a very good example and it's a challenging example also, in my opinion. And I will be discussing many concepts here. And once you understand the concepts in a problem, with the help of the problem and solving along with me that particular problem in a particular topic, you will be able to understand the mathematics well. Mathematics will be understood by doing along and by practicing. Let us practice the questions, typical questions, so that you can understand the hidden concepts in it. And on the basis of these concepts, any question that comes in the examination, you will be able to do it with confidence and correctly. Here, what is it is given here? Function x is equal to 1 divided by 7 to the power of n minus 3 and function 0 is equal to 7. That is what is given. What we have to find out? The value of x where a discontinuity is present between the intervals. These are the intervals of x. 1 by 7 to the power of n plus 1 is less than x is less than 1 by 7 to the power of n. This is the interval. And this is the function. And what we have to find out? Discontinuity. At what value of x there is a discontinuity? A function x, fx is equal to x, is always continuous. There is no discontinuity. For whatever may be the value of x, plus minus infinity to plus infinity on a real line. We can define that. If function x is equal to x. But here function x is not in terms of x. Function x is 1 by 7 to the power of n minus 3, function 0 is equal to 7 defined, and the interval of x is given in powers of n powers. It's a very good example to understand the concepts, this type of problems, how to solve them, and it's a piecewise function. What is the meaning of the piecewise function? In certain intervals, the function is defined in one way, and at certain value of x or certain value or certain interval, the function is defined in some other way. At x is equal to 0, function is defined as function 0 is equal to 7. But when x in the interval between 1 by 7 to the power of n plus 1 is less than x less than 1 by 7 to the power of n, the function is defined like this. Then we are supposed to find out the discontinuity, where a particular function is getting discontinued. At a particular value, the function is getting discontinued. It is not continuous. It is not like a continuous line. It is discontinued like this and like this. At some value of x, function is showing a jump. It is not continuous. It is showing a jump and discontinued. What is that value? Whether x is equal to 1 by 4 or x is equal to 1 by 49 or at x is equal to 1 or none of the above. We have to find out. Now let us try to solve the problem, and along with the problem solving, you please move along with me. Along with the problem solving, you will be understanding the concepts one by one which are embedded or hidden in this problem. I have already released around 370 plus videos on mathematics concepts, various concepts for Maths Olympiad, Maths JEE, and also for SAT and GRE. Your mathematics concepts are vital or much required. Now let's move further. You can see the other videos also. They can be useful even for advanced maths students and who are preparing for advanced mathematics examinations in SAT also. They can see them, understand them. If anything is there, please put in the comments column. I will answer the doubt. Now, we will move further to answer this question. What is the question given? Function x is equal to 1 by 7 to the power of n minus 3, whereas 1 by 7 to the power of n plus 1 is less than x is less than 1 by 7 to the power of n. We have to find the value of x where discontinuity is there. Find value of x where discontinuity of function x exists. Discontinuity exists, not continuity. Now, as I have already explained what is discontinuity, let's move further. Solution. Now, the given alternatives. Certain times, when multiple choice questions are asked, it is better to go with the multiple choice answers provided and get the correct answer, instead of solving a big problem like this. Now, what are the given alternatives? A is 1 by 4. B is 1 by 49. C is 1. And D is none of the above. Now, let us take A, case A. Here x is equal to 1 by 4. Let's apply this value to the equations given and let us see what happens. And also another thing we have forgotten here. What is another thing given? Function 0 is equal to 7. That is also there. Can we write this in a mathematical way? We can write this way as a piecewise function. Function x is equal to, put the bracket here. First value is 1 by 7 to the power of n minus 3, where x is defined as 1 by 7 to the power of n plus 1 less than x less than 1 by 7 to the power of n. Please pay attention, I am going slow deliberately so that I want you to understand the concepts. Now, function x is equal to 7 when x is equal to 0. You got it? Now, when x is equal to 1 by 4, what is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. What is 1 by 7? Let us say, just for our understanding, let us say it is approximately 0.143. Do we agree that 0.143 is less than 0.25 is less than 1? That implies 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 4 is less than 1. Because function x is involving 7 and 4. 1 by 4 is the answer alternative given. 7 is there in the function x. Hence I have taken 1 by 7, 1 by 4 and 1. Now tell me, function x is equal to given as 1 by 7 to the power of n minus 3. That implies when n is equal to 0, what happens? Function x is equal to 1 by 7 to the power of 0 minus 3. That is equal to 1 by 1 minus 3. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. Function x is equal to minus 1 by 2 means what happens? What is its meaning? Minus 1 by 2 value is constant. For any value of x, put any value of x, function x is a constant function. That means function x is equal to continuous everywhere. It is not broken. Discontinuous means breaking. It is not broken anywhere. Function x is equal to continuous everywhere. What it says? Please try to understand the concept. Function x is equal to minus half constant function which implies it is continuous at x is equal to 1 by 4 also. It is continuous. The condition what is required here, why 1 by 4 I have taken, why 1 I have taken, why 1 by 7 I have taken, why I have taken n is equal to 0. The reason being, please try to understand. What is the condition given for x value? X should be between 1 by 7 to the power of n plus 1 is less than, 7 to the power of n plus 1 is less than x. X is less than 1 by 7 to the power of n. When I put n is equal to 0 in this, 1 by 7 to the power of 0 plus 1 is less than 1 by 7 to the power of 0. That implies 1 by 7 is less than x is less than 1. This is what I have got from the condition given. But I do not know the value of x. Whether 1 by 4 fits in this? Let us see. This implies 1 by 7, if I put the value of 1 by 4 here in place of 1 by x, is it correct? Yes. That means for x is equal to 1 by 4, this particular condition is fulfilled. This is the condition given for the value of x. X should be between 1 by 7 to the power of n plus 1 and 1 by 7 to the power of n. When n is equal to 0, this fits in. Now, next is, that means it is continuous. No discontinuity. Did you understand this? If you did not understand, please see my video again, repeat it and see it. If you have any doubt, please put your query in the question in the comment column. I will definitely answer. Next, that means answer A not correct. Next, B. B means x is equal to 1 by 49. What is 1 by 49? 1 by 49 is equal to 1 by 7 square, that is equal to 1 by 7 to the power of 1 plus 1. From the formula, from the problem itself, 1 by 7 to the power of n plus 1 is less than x is less than 1 by 7 to the power of n. That implies 1 by 7 to the power of 1 plus 1 is less than x is less than 1 by 7. That means I have to choose a value that means 1 by 49 is less than x is less than 1 by 7. This is the condition what I have got. This is what is the condition I should fulfill. At the same time, when n is equal to 2, we have got when n is equal to 1. When I put n is equal to 2, this implies 1 by 7 to the power of 2 plus 1 is less than x is less than 1 by 7 square. That implies n is equal to 2 I have put. 1 by 7 cube is less than x is less than 1 by 49. That implies 1 by 343 is less than x is less than 1 by 49. Now, the question here comes, we have got two conditions. One is this one, this is the second condition, when n is equal to, and when n is equal to 1, we have got a condition, another condition, 1 by 49 is less than x is less than 1 by 7. Correct? These two conditions we have got. Both are having the value of 1 by 49. You please try to understand this concept. But x is not equal to 1 by 49, it is neighborhood of 1 by 49. This is a neighborhood of 1 by 49 plus. It is not 1, sorry, it is plus, little plus. Here it is 1 by 49 little minus. Neighborhoods. Neighborhoods are called left hand limits and right hand limits. Now, when x is equal to, first case, case 1 in this, n is equal to 1, that implies function x is equal to, ultimately we are finding the discontinuity of function x. Function x is equal to 1 by 7 to the power of n minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 7 square, 1 by 7 to the power of n plus 1, let us see, 1 by 7 to the power of n minus 3. N is equal to 1 means 7 to the power of 1 minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 4. What is case 2 value? N is equal to 2, that implies function x is equal to 1 by 7 square minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 49 minus 3, that is equal to 1 by 46. That means, what is case 1 related to? 1 by 49 less than x less than 1 by 7 implies function x is equal to 46, 1 by 46. Do you agree? One by 343 is less than x less than 1 by 49 implies function x is equal to 1 by 4. Both these are constant functions. Here n is equal to 1, here it is n is equal to 2. Even though they are constant functions, function x1, let me say it is function x1, it is function x2. Function x1 is equal to 1 by 46, function x2 is equal to 1 by 4, which implies function x1 is not equal to function x2. That implies Yet x is equal to 1 by 49. 1 by 49, how we have taken it? Because we have assumed right hand limits and left hand limits in the neighborhood, we can take the value 1 by 49. When x is equal to 1 by 49 or x tends to 1 by 49, x is equal to 1 by 49, it implies function x1 is not equal to function x2. There is a discontinuity. There exists a discontinuity. There exists a discontinuity. Please try to understand the concept. That means answer B implies x is equal to 1 by 49 is correct. Because there is a discontinuity because function x1 is equal to function x2. In the first case, function x1 is always differs to function x2 because it is a continuous line. Here there is a discontinuity. Function x1 is not equal to function x2 because we are finding about the continuity of the function. Hence, we got the answer. X is equal to 149 is the correct answer. And if you want to proceed for option C, option D, none of the above is not correct. That is eliminated. Option E is a continuous function, hence that is eliminated. Option B, there is a discontinuity at 1 by 49, x is equal to 1 by 49, that is accepted. Option C, x is equal to 1. What it means? Is it x is equal to 1? Let me see the question. Yes. When x is equal to 1, function x is equal to x is 1 means 1 by 7 to the power of n plus 1 is less than x is less than 1 by 7. That is the condition. Seven to the power of n, sorry. That means when n is equal to 0, that implies 1 by 7 is less than x is less than 1. Because x is less than 1 and there is no other definition available for us, like in the previous example where we can take the right hand limit and left hand limit, neighborhood, x is equal to 1 is excluded. That means this option is not accepted. At x is 1, we will not accept it that within the given domain, within this given domain, there is a discontinuity. Hence, where is the discontinuity? Finally, answer is B, that is equal to 1 by 49. This is the principle of finding the discontinuity of a function. Here function x is not given in terms of the x, but it is in terms of n, and x is defined between certain intervals with the help of n, and those within those intervals Is there any discontinuity of the function x? That's what we have found. Function x is found out to be a constant relating to certain limits or intervals or the values within which x varies its value, and we went into the depth of the definition of the function, depth of the understanding of the function, concept of the function, and we got the answer as 1 by 49. With this, I wanted to conclude this lecture, and I wanted to thank you, all of you, for listening to me, for viewing this lecture. And if you feel there is a value addition regarding the functions, function behaviors, continuity and discontinuity, and also function is given in not in terms of x, how to handle it if the intervals are given in the intervals are given in n and function x is given in n, how to handle it, and how to get the right hand limit and left hand limit, or how to find out the neighborhood and get the values. This is what I have explained. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for viewing my lecture. And if you feel there is a value addition, please kindly hype this lecture. Kindly share this lecture to known people. Kindly subscribe to my channel, Maths and Science by IITIAN. And I have also started a website, that is MATHS&SCIENCE.com, where I will be posting various blogs on mathematics and sciences. Please see them. I will embed the YouTube videos also. Please see them. As a token of appreciation, please take membership of my channel, which is at the lowest cost possible. That's only 59 rupees per month. Please take it. You will have so that it gives me encouragement, and that membership is also you can access through my channel and take the membership. Thank you. Best of luck to everybody. Certain videos I have put for the members only, so that you can see them, you can have the insight of the depth of mathematics, application of mathematics in various fields, and those videos are marked with membership. Please see them, take the membership and encourage me, and also share my channel details to known people and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Best of luck.